Now this is the general review applicable for any website, not blogs. For blog these things are not required. In case you are having a business based website, let's say Sanjay Technologies, all this always goes into the head section. Anywhere you find even a single line of meta tag, the entire section goes into the head section. Each of this section is one review. You can put as many reviews you want. So what I would do here, this is as it is, okay, only the black part has to be edited. The title of the review, very good training example. Who has given that review, his name, and when did he give that review, in the numeric form, in the alphabetic form, and then what is the value, this is as it is. What is the worst rating, what rating has he given, you can give even in decimals, 3.5, 3.7, 3.9, 4.2, 4.3, out of what is the best rating, so that Google gets to know how many stars have to be shown. And then what is the description of the review, the title of the review and the explanation of it. I found that training to be very useful, completed on time, has helped me to bag a job early, something like that. So likewise, whatever the second person review is, that the third person review, as many reviews you want, you can put it. These reviews will be shown as a part of the search snippet whenever your page is eligible to rank on top. So you get an enhanced result. So this is what is your reviews. This is the most important thing. FAQs and all that, if you want to put it, you can. But generally when you put the stars, in case you have got very good reviews, so we can even post the reviews by ourselves and give here high rating. This will easily attract any searcher. So the chances of getting a click on the listing is high enough. Give it genuine, don't give like 5 by 5. Give it 4.5, 4.6, 4.2, 4.7 is okay. You make it 4.8 also, it looks entirely shaded. So make sure it looks natural. So 4.5, 4.4 is okay. Most of the reviews you can have the same number, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. Alright. Once that we are done with the review, now the thing is canonical. So one is canonical used. The purpose of canonical URL is to avoid duplicate content indexing. Remember the step number 14 in on page where I told you that we should not have duplicate content in the pages. First of all, we should not copy from other website. That rule is pretty stringent for everybody. But not only that, across the pages in your website, you must be having unique content. But there may be some technical cases where in multiple URLs you have the same content. There may be some typical cases where you may be having the same content in multiple URLs. That is where the canonical URL will come into picture. I'll give you an example. Our own Blogger site. So it is not possible to avoid duplicate content technically. So Blogger is the best example for it. In our home page, there is a content about baby oil coupon. This is a home page. I also have another post where the same information is present. Same information. So I am having two different URLs with the same matter. This is against the policy of SEO, against step number 14 in on page. Search engines think that I am writing junk matter in majority of the pages. So that is where you need to use a canonical URL. There are two ways. Either you make use of a robots.txt and you block the duplicate page. Whichever page you are doing SEO, let that remain. The duplicate you can block it using the robots.txt. Alternatively, you can make use of canonical URL. So you have to create a code like this. Link equals to the web page. Okay, let us see the structure. So purpose is to avoid duplicate content indexing. The syntax is like this. So just this one line of tag, you need to put it anywhere in the head section. Which page are you going to put it? In the duplicate page. You may be having several pages with the same content. Leave the master page, whichever are the duplicate pages or the child pages. There you need to write this line of code anywhere in the head section. This is as it is. This is the master page address that you need to give. This is a master page address. So let's say that in my case the master page is the internal page. Okay. Now like this, where should I place it? In the head section. So what I will do, I will go into the head section of my Blogger site. Immediately after the head tag or anywhere till the closing head tag, you have the option to place the canonical URL. Now when the search engine is reading my home page, it will understand that this is actually a duplicate page. The main page is here. Why this is the main page for us? Because we have already implemented our title tag, description, keywords tag, everything for the internal post. When you have a general site, you are targeting diversified keyword, then you don't do SEO for the home page because it's a diversified website. You are doing SEO only for internal pages. So whichever is a duplicate page in this site, my duplicate page is a home page where I'm saying that my home page is a canonical page. What is the meaning of canonical? It's like a cone. If you look at a cone, the center point from where the entire pattern is created, that is all focused onto a single point. All the radius and all, if you see, vertically it moves and converges to a single point. So likewise here also you may be having 100 pages which are all pointing to one single master page content wise. So what is that master page? That address you give it here. And what is a duplicate page? In that duplicate page only you have to give the canonical. You don't have to give canonical URL for every page. Only in the duplicate page, and there you mention what is a master page address. Then search engines will ignore the content which is there in this page. That is the home page in this case. It will see that whatever the content is there in the home page, if it is matching with this page, he is not going to penalize your site because of duplicate content. That is the purpose of canonical URL. So hope you have got the point. Now Sarita has missed the HTML code, microdata code for the review. Let me quickly show you. Where's the code gone? So like this you need to put the ratings. Customer review, in case you are having a site, this is not meant for blog. First of all, structured snippets, they are meant for any kind of business, service, product that you're offering. So let's say in seosanjay.com, someone has given me a beautiful rating and I wish to display that rating as part of my web page result. The search snippet will get enhanced. It will show along with the title, description, everything, even the user review. So this comes as it is, the first line. All this goes into the head section of the page. Who has filled that review? His author name. First of all, the title of the review. Very good institute. Whoever has given review, let's say Ramakrishna. When did he give the review? Numeric form, alphabetic form. Then review rating as it is, this line. No need to change anything. What is the worst rating? As it is. What is the value that he has assigned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, even decimals can be given here. Automatically Google will shade so many stars. So what I was saying is that give here a number which looks authentic. Don't give 5. Give it like 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. Like that, each review you have one section. You can put as many reviews as possible. Search engine will randomly display the review. So give a value which is close to 5, but don't give it exact 5. What is the value of the review and what is the total number of stars? So like this, and what is the description of the review? I found that training to be very useful, which has helped me to back the job very soon. I'm going to recommend to my friends, whatever. So this is the HTML version of it. Microdata, HTML, both are same. Okay. So now that we are done with the canonical as well as the structured snippets, let us now see how do we display Google Ads into a web page. We have seen how to apply for AdSense account. But after that you have got the AdSense account, how should you display ads in the website? The way we are doing it for Google, for every search engine it is the same way, even for affiliate program. And in a while I'll also tell you which are the most highly paying affiliate programs. I told you at the start, at the beginning of the course, that there are some affiliate programs which may sound crazy, where the commission is more than the sale value. Today I am going to reveal 2 such names. Firstly, Google Ads. So let me log in into one of my AdSense account, old account. Either google.com/AdSense or AdSense.com, both mean the same. So here, the moment that you have logged in, you will be able to see the menu here on the left side. Click on Ads. Click on Ad Unit. What type of ad unit you want to create? Display ad, a search box ad, link ad. Okay. In article ads. In article ad means the ads will come in between the articles. In feed ad means within the RSS feed, when you are giving your RSS feed to others, along with the feed even the ad will go. So I told you you can have altogether 8 ads. 3 link ads, these are the link ads, banner ads, 2 search box ad, and these are something extra which is not in your web page. These are native, that means in other places. So I want to go with display ad. Do you want square size, horizontal size, vertical size? Let's say I want square. Though it is square, even rectangle means also square here. So what dimensions you want? Responsive means automatically the dimensions will be set wherever you have put a code, how much space is available in that section. Based on that, the size of the ad will be taken automatically. That is the meaning of responsive. But you want to have a fixed dimension, fixed. So you can choose your own height and width. So all this will be after that you have clear with the space available in your web page. Once that you have set the dimension, click on create. You'll get the code. You got to give the name here. Create. So this is the code I've got. You need to copy this and place it wherever you want the ad to come. This is for the general website, and in case you have got a mobile specific website or app, then like this you need to place the code. This one will go in the head section. This one will go wherever you want the ad to come. Accelerated mobile pages. But let's say that I want to have in a regular desktop site. So I'm copying this code again. Let me go into Blogger and place it. You need to pause the AdBlock plugin. Let me edit this post. So after 2 lines I wish to have an ad. You can even place it in the gadget, HTML JavaScript gadget. So I want it here, let's say. Update. Now that I open my website, so you've got a gap here. It will take some time to read the page, and then you'll be finding an ad here with the dimension that you have created. You need to refresh it after some time. Okay, we'll come back to this page and see when the ad starts appearing. Let's see even for WordPress. In order to display ad in the sidebar, you can take the text gadget. You want it in between the content. In the HTML version of the content, you can display. Appearance, widgets. So I want to display here in the footer. I don't have sidebar in this theme, but the same way even for sidebar can also be done. So just drag and drop. Give that, there's no title required. So I put the ad code here, save, done. Here also we have got the space. We'll have to wait for some time for that display to come. Okay, we'll get back to these pages. Now coming to the affiliate program, same way you're going to find the code for affiliate programs as well. But the highly recommended affiliate programs, you can note down the name. One is iPage, other is Fat Cow. This is a commission structure. For 1 to 5 sales, you get $65 per sale. If you are completing within a month, at least 6 sales up to 10, you get $75 a sale. 11 to 20 is $100. 21 plus sale is $125 per sale. Let us come to the minimum. One sale you get $65, and what is the cost for the purchase of the sale? What is the product that you need to purchase and what is its costing? We'll see that. It is approximately half value than this. So that is why I say this program is a crazy program. It has been paying not from few weeks or months, but since several years. As far as my knowledge goes, at least in the last 5 years, every student has recovered the fee even before the training got completed. So it takes only one day. Even from your blogger also you can do it. So what to do? Let me explain. You are first going to create an account here. Once your account is created, you are going to sign in, and then you are going to find the ad code, same like Google AdSense code. Wait, let me log in. Okay, now that I've logged in, the ad code can be seen here, but before that, let me show you my earnings. That time he was paying $125. 2 clicks have come on that, but one sale has come. $35 is the sale value, commission is $105. Now that $105 commission has come down to $65. Even then it is approximately double than this value, the sale value. So your account gets approved immediately. Today itself you can do it. By tomorrow you will be able to see the earnings. But the payout will come in the last week of the following month. If I've got in the month of February, this is 2019 report I'm showing. This is not an active account, but to show you that the commission value is much higher than the sale value. So you do it in the month of February, you are going to get the income to your bank account directly. By the end of March, while you are creating an affiliate account, it will be asking you for the IFSC code and the account number. Same way even for Fat Cow. Here also $65 and the sale value is also approximately $35. So once your account is created here, you are going to go to the campaign and start banners and links. This is your affiliate URL. Either directly you can market this affiliate URL in WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. Whoever is clicking here and purchasing any of their products, you will get commission for lifelong. That guy will be renewing after a year, still you will get commission. You don't want like this link, you want to directly have the banner ads. Because of this ad block plugin, it's not showing. Here it shows a preview. Copy this code and place it in the same way how you have placed the Google ad code. Hope this is clear. So you are going to find some iPage different only iPage ads will come when you place this code, but dynamically these ads designs will change. Now in order to get commission by yourself, from whichever system you have opened an account, whichever internet connection you have opened an account, leave that aside. Next day, today you have created an affiliate account here, well and fine. Tomorrow, from your friend's mobile or from your own mobile with the local net connection, the IP address has to change basically. And could be your friend's mobile, could be some cyber cafe. Search for your website through Google. Even though you haven't done SEO, but if you search in this fashion, seosanjay.com, your site will open up. So open up your website through Google search and then click on that banner ad and purchase a 12-month hosting plan. That will cost you approximately $35. Example, let's say this is the affiliate URL. Even after clicking the banner ad, you are going to get this page opened up. Click on get started. Choose some domain name, but don't give like this blah blah blah. They'll get doubt that it is only a dummy sale. So have some meaningful name. Example. So this domain is available. Sorry, okay, already taken. Got to change it. Okay, this is available. So you need to purchase only 1 year plan. The domain is free, SSL is free here. We don't require privacy protection. The commission, what you get is same whether user purchases private protection or not. Continue. We don't require any extra things. Just 12-month hosting plan with free domain will do. Make sure the bill is 35.88. Proceed to billing. Fill this entire details matching with the user's credit card details. So either the payment can be done through PayPal or credit card. Make sure that these details are not matching with the affiliate account holder, because obviously those whoever is having an affiliate account, if the same guy is purchasing, why would he pay the commission? That's why I told you, if you are having an affiliate account, the purchase should be made from a different person's name. It should be his credit card and all that. It should not match with the affiliate account, otherwise you won't get commission. So once that you have filled all these details, immediately so much of amount will get cut from the credit card, and in 24 hours if you go into your affiliate account, you'll be seeing that you have received the commission. Later, if you cancel it, that commission will be gone, because that's the reason why they have reserved 1 month. They do the payout only in the next month, last week. After the purchase is done, this is the important point. Login using the credentials you receive in mail. So if you open up your mail, whoever is purchasing the plan, in his email, he is going to get the login credentials. So he has paid $35.88. He has got an ID password in the email. With that, he is going to log in iPage and Fatco. And then in menu, go to Billing Central and slide the billing from auto to manual for both. This is an important point, for both domain and hosting. If it doesn't do it, then every year automatically the amount will get cut from the credit card that he has used or the PayPal account that he has used. Know where the details of the purchaser should match with the affiliate account holder, whether it is the email ID, mobile number, credit card, whatever, nothing should match. And this point is the most important point, otherwise every year amount will get cut and you won't even know how it is cutting. However, you can apply for cancellation and all that, but still better to prevent. So immediately after the purchase is done, from that same system, log in into iPage or Fatco, and then from the menu for domain as well as for hosting, make the billing option from auto to manual. Auto to manual. Two you'll have to do. One for domain, one for hosting. That's all, your job is done. Don't do the second purchase. Only one purchase you need to do. Why? Because Fatco or iPage will be monitoring how many visitors you are getting. You don't have any visitor to your website means one sale they can believe. But 2 people have visited your site and 2 sales you have got, they become little doubtful. 10 visitors you have got, 3 sales you have got, they'll get doubtful. So only when you have got lot of visitors flow, then you can do more and more purchases. So do it serially, do it one by one, don't do in bulk. So how many visitors you have got, that much advantage you can take with this opportunity. It is like free money they are giving, they are burning cash just to acquire the customer. The purpose that they are burning the cash, they think that they are going to get a permanent customer. Every year they are going to make from the renewal. But there are some 10% people like us who is here only for generating the affiliate revenue. And they are well aware of it. 10% people are like that. But at least 90% genuine customer they have got. Net on net, they are still making money. That's why these offers are running. Fatco and iPage are same company. Same charges, everything is same. So don't think that, sir, one purchase I'll do from Fatco, other I'll do from iPage. When both of them will mix the data, they'll see that 2 visitors have come to the site and 2 sales have come, again they become doubtful. So anyone, when at least 100 people are visiting your site every day one sale you can do. Imagine on each sale you are making around $30 net profit, which is around 2,000 rupees. Risk free. Why risk free? Because in case you do not get commission has to come maximum in 24 hours. In your affiliate account, if the commission is not shown, what are you going to do? You can make use of the chat window and tell them that you haven't received commission. Immediately they are going to respond. But let's say that the affiliate code got missed or something like that. Then you can tell them to cancel the transaction. You have 30 days of time, you can cancel the transaction. Full refund is given. Just make use of this chat window, need not call, need not do any email. The response from the chat window is excellent. In case you don't have commission, first talk about the commission. They say that no, the tracking code was not proper, user did not click on the tracking code, it was missing, Or if it is incognito window also, it will not work. Some cyber cafes have this window by default. The tracking code will not work in these windows. So if this is the default window in the cyber cafes, you are going to make it a normal window. Then go to Google and search for your website. The same process what I told you. But for some reason, commission hasn't come, cancel it. He'll ask you what is the last 4 digits of the credit card you have used, or what's the email you have used for the PayPal. Immediately they'll cancel, and the refund will come within 5 to 7 business days to your payment method that you have used. So the risk is zero in this, and the reward is double the sale value. At least record your fee and get a lot of visitors. You can take the advantage of it. There are a lot of students who have made 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh from this kind of programs. But they have struggled for their website. They are getting 400-500 visitors every month, so they could take the opportunity. Alright, so with this we end with even affiliate program. Let's see if ads are appearing. Not yet. Okay, we'll give more time. But this is a way to insert an ad. Making money from YouTube. The final topic for today, the final topic for the SEO. From Monday, we are going to begin with SEM. Very few people know that you can make enormous money even from YouTube. How? Same thing, advertisements. While watching the video, you must have seen a lot of ads. YouTube videos are like small television channels. Both of their revenue sources, advertisement. Banner ads will come, in-stream ads will come. So many different varieties of ads will come. But the revenue source to YouTube and to you is these ads. How much lengthy video you have got, that many ads are going to come. So there's nothing like YouTube SEO. But how does YouTube recognize which video to be placed on the top? There are different parameters for it, which we'll understand shortly. The only problem in YouTube right now is the entry barrier. 4 years back, 3 years back itself, YouTube was allowing monetization of the videos. Monetization of the videos means enabling ads. By default, ads will not come in the videos. You need to enable it. And in order to enable the ads in the videos, now the new condition says in the last 3 years that you got to have 4,000 hours of video watch and at least 1,000 subscribers. Let me show you one of my YouTube account. Okay, here this is done. Now let me just complete this AdSense part. So we have placed the code there. Same size you want to place ad again into a different web page or a different website, you can scroll down. These are all the ads what you have created. Click on get code and this code is reusable. Though the code is same, you are placing into different pages, different websites, ads will be different. Ads are dynamic in nature. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, by mistakenly I closed the window. So hope that my voice is clear, the screen is visible. Any issues, kindly use the chat window. Alright, so I was saying that we are done with the AdSense. Now coming back to the YouTube. Alright, so let's say this is the YouTube. The moment you log in into YouTube, you are going to find on the left side your videos. These are nothing but the videos what you have uploaded using this icon. Now, in order to make money from the videos, we require to monetize the videos. That means enable your videos with the advertisement. That is what is called as monetization. See here. But the new condition says for monetization that you require 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of video watch time. Only when you have met this threshold, then the ads will automatically come in the videos and you are going to generate revenue out of it. But meeting this condition, I agree, is never easy. I will give you a third-party website called as Monetization Easy. This is a site which will help you to meet that condition for a very nominal price. So you need to create an account where half condition they'll meet for free, then for rest half they are charging $25, I think. Let me see the price now. Okay, they have increased to $50. This plan was not at all there. This was $25. But even then, it is worth. $50 is what you pay, and they are going to make sure that you get this condition met. Then whatever the videos that you are uploading, you are going to generate revenue out of it. How many videos you upload, that much money you can make. How many video views you are getting, that much money you can make. There's no limit on the income. Some of the channels are there who make more money than what even movies also do not make. Whether you believe it or not, a lot of movies are released in YouTube. Like OTT platform, small budget movies, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh worth movies with limited characters, like horror movies and all that with limited budget, are released directly in YouTube. And they make so much of revenue very easily they are able to recover their production cost. And they get to know the reviews of the public, how many likes, dislikes, then they plan to come on the big screen. So YouTube has become such a big platform where even movies are being released. 60 minutes, 90 minutes duration movies. But this condition is must for anything. Once that you have got this condition, your job is to only upload the videos. You cannot download the videos of the YouTube and modify that and re-upload into YouTube. So there are several things that you need to keep in mind. Copied videos are not at all allowed in YouTube network. In fact, it is very strict. When you are doing it, your account will get suspended. There is a column here called as copyright. I do not have any copyright claims. Here you can see which all videos have got it. No matching videos which have got copyright claims. Like this, it should be even for your account. I've seen some students trying with different techniques. I've also myself long back, 8 years back, tried with different techniques of finding out some shortcut ways of using the duplicate videos. If you do little research in Google, you'll find so many third-party websites where they give you the option to download the YouTube videos. You download it, you change the file type, aspect ratio, you change the frames per second parameter. So like that, all the details of the videos are changed, and that when you upload into YouTube, immediately you are getting copyright claims. There are sites like YouTube, metacafe.com, dailymotion.com, yoku.com, soku.com. Yoku, Soku are Chinese YouTube sites. YouTube is banned in China. Those videos also you can download. But you download it, you change everything in that video, you upload it, again you are going to get copyright claims. So keep this point in mind. There is no shortcut way of having a duplicate video. We have shortcut for having a duplicate content. That is by using Google Translation. But there is no way with lot of type varieties that we tried, So far, no success at all. There's no way where we could use duplicate video, modify everything and cheat YouTube. In fact, he gets this copyright claims immediately. Don't have to even wait for a week or so. Like this, continuously when you are getting a lot of videos copyright claims, then the monetization will get suspended from all the videos of your account. In this channel, you may have uploaded 100 videos, 1000 videos, 10,000 videos. There is no limit on the number of videos that you are uploading. There is no limit on the duration of the video that you are uploading. But back to back, lot of copyright claims come, then the monetization will get suspended. Even though you may be having 4,000 hours of video watch, 1,000 subscribers, whatever, your entire efforts are in vain. I strongly suggest you to please have the backup of the videos in your system. By mistake, if your account gets suspended, you can delete all the videos which are there in your account. Where has my videos gone? These are all my videos. So in case you have got copyright claims, immediately it shows up here. So like this, back to back, if you are getting a lot of copyright claims, then the account itself will get suspended. These all videos will run, but ads will not come. So what I'm saying is that when the ads are not coming, then there's no point in having the videos here. If you have the backup of these videos in your system, delete all the videos from the affected account like this. Where's the delete here? And then upload the same set of videos in another YouTube account and apply for monetization in that new account. That way your hard work is not going to go in vain. First of all, that situation should not arise if you are following my guidelines, but maybe you discover some kind of trick by which you are able to cheat YouTube by having duplicate videos, by editing using different applications. But eventually in future, when account gets suspended, delete all the videos from the suspended account, upload the same set of videos in the new account. Why to delete here? Because the same video, if it is available here and you upload into your second account, though the owner is same, but you'll still get as third party content match. Copyright claims will come. So from here you delete and then you upload there, then that is good. Though these are the videos which are coming from the affected account, but YouTube does not have any problem. It's going to display ads into the new account if you have met the threshold of 4,000 hours of video watch and 1,000 subscribers. Hope this point is clear. Now, I told you unlimited videos can be uploaded both in number as well as in size. So utilize this opportunity. YouTube is giving you unlimited server space. And meeting that threshold, don't be optimistic that you yourself can manage it. It is very difficult. Better you hire the third party websites like Monetization Easy. There may be more. You have to do research in Google. But I've got a feedback of this. It's a wonderful site. It gives what it says. Though it says 4 to 6 months, in 2-3 months itself is delivering it. Alternatively, you can go there and search for freelancer YouTube monetization. So many freelancers are also helping you to achieve this condition. Alright, now what should not be done? We have known not only this, downloading the videos, even the videos coming from CDs, DVDs and magnetic discs, Blu-ray discs is going to throw as copyright. It will have a copyright claim. Such videos you get warning, and consistent warning will again lead to account suspension. So to give you an example, when I started working with the YouTube in 2011-12 somewhere, within a year I uploaded some 12 videos at once from a folder which was given to my niece, my sister's daughter, my niece. So she was studying in Bachpan school. They had given her a DVD where they were chanting the nursery rhymes poems. I was very thirsty about this topic because this is a multi-millionaire topic in YouTube. That kind of revenue potential you have for this. Millions of money people are making in this category, nursery rhymes poems. So some nursery rhymes poems were created by their school, by their organization. In that folder, so many videos were there. In the subfolder, there were 12 videos at once. With excitement, I uploaded 12 videos. Immediately, each video got copyright. You click on that, it was giving the information there, found to be from the magnetic disk. That means magnetic disk videos are also not allowed in YouTube. Do not even try it. You download it and you modify it. That is not working. Some footprints are there which you cannot change. That is a way how YouTube is tracking the videos. Let me show you how good this topic is. The problem in YouTube is you don't have any keyword research tool like you have it in for Google search engine. In Google search engine, we have Uber suggest tool, we have Google search keyword planner tool, by which we can roughly estimate how many people are searching for any topic. But for YouTube, you don't have any such software. It is only a guesswork. But from my own research that I've done in YouTube, which are the good topics, I'll show you that list. But nursery rhymes poems, unbelievable, is a jackpot topic for YouTube. So now what should not be done, we have seen. What should be done, that also we'll see. But from my research, from my personal experience, I found that if you are uploading the videos from the following topics, you are going to make solid income. A lot of people in YouTube search for topics related to movie trailers, news, forthcoming launches. The forthcoming launches could be your mobile, could be automobile, whatever. Learning and education. This is the main source of income for the people. LEAR. Learning and education. Tech know-how, stunt, etc. So movie trailers, news-based topics, amazing number of searches happen in YouTube. Go to Google Trends. In Google, you search for Google Trends, you'll get to know. I have already shown you that. You'll get to know which are the hot topics which are being searched. Upload one video using it. How to upload? We have seen what is illegal. We'll see what is legal also. Using those legal methods, try to create a video on those topics which are in trend right now. Within one day, you'll see amazing number of visitors to the video. So news is a hot topic for YouTube. Then movie trailers. Let me show you directly in YouTube. Bahubali movie is already over, right? But there are people who are searching for Bahubali 3 trailer also. Can you believe this? When the director, producer themselves have agreed that Bahubali series is over, but there are people still searching for it. 1.8 crore views for this. 81 lakh views for this. With this kind of views, there's amazing income that you make. Even 10 paisa per view means it's a good income. 1.2 crore views in 2 years. 36,000 in 6 months. Now you may laugh, but there are people who have even uploaded 4 trailers. Bahubali 4, horse. So 2,43,000 views in 6 months. 3,98,000 views. So movie trailers is an amazing topic. I'll show you one trailer which I uploaded in this account itself. And then you have forthcoming launches. Any new automobile, car or bike has been launched. So that way you'll find lot of searches happening there. Learning and education, right from nursery rhymes, poems till stock market, SEO, whatever topic that you may talk about, people are hunting for information and learning through YouTube. I have myself learned a lot of stock market and SEO from YouTube. In fact, more than 50% knowledge I got it from YouTube. I need not pay for anything. Free knowledge available. Abundant knowledge and quality knowledge. By looking at the ratings, number of views and all that, you can make out which is a video that you need to watch out for. So just see nursery rhymes, how good it is. Education starts with it. "26,000 people are live watching this video. Live. 9.4 crore views in just 9 months. 1 crore he must have already made in less than 1 year. Just one video. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. 17 lakh in one day. Look at this now. This is the magic of nursery rhymes. But of course, we cannot do it because this requires little bit of animation skills. But there are a lot of animation guys out there. In fact, if you want to really do a business, I would suggest you do this business. Hire some animation professionals who are able to create like this kind of videos. Because a lot of people from Bangalore and Chennai are printing money in this. This Coco Melon and all that. 90% of these Indian channels in nursery rhymes poems is dominated by the Chennai guys and the Bangaloreans. So maybe there are some companies who have hired the professionals and they're doing it. 303. Look at this. 63 crore in 2 years. 63 crore. Just a 35-minute blah blah black sheep video. Johnny, yes papa. 9.6 crore in just 1 year. Some movies also don't make so much of income what these simple videos are making in animation. Because this has become a lifestyle now. And these numbers are only going to increase as internet is getting penetrated. The modern day toy for the kids is mobile. When you are totally engaged, busy, what you do? Just switch on a YouTube, go to YouTube in your mobile, put a rhyme and your kid watches it. It is learning as well as an entertainment to him. So win-win to both of you. You are also able to do your work and he is also able to gather some knowledge. This is a category where there is no limit on the income. Look at all this. This is a single channel, different views performance. Each video performance. Small videos. So nursery rhymes, nursery poems. Not only that, you can go with even subcategory. Chitti Chilkama in Telugu. $17.3 crore 4 years ago. Telugu poem. The competition is very less. 7.4 crore. 2.3 crore. Look at that. Competition is very less. Easy to rank on top. Only thing is you require some animation guys. Maybe they'll be charging you a salary of 30-40,000. Even 1 year experience would do. But it's worth spending. Worth burning the cash. It will take 1 month of time for them to create one video. But that income what you are going to get is recurring forever till the searches are happening. I don't find any reason why the searches would stop. Kids will be born. Rhymes will be there. It's not from today or yesterday. It is since centuries which is there. So take an advantage of this educational topic. Tech know-how. Could be anything. Learning and education not specific to only academics. Your brother may be expert in yoga. While that is doing yoga, record a video. Your mother may be expert in cooking. While she is preparing any food from your kitchen itself is a good source of income to YouTube. So anything, art or whatever you may know. There are some channels where it is hopeless channels. No knowledge, nothing, especially Chinese based channels. Only faltu entertainment for the kids. Messing their home and all that. So such kind of videos, you look at it in millions and crores of views. Now it is happening even through smart TVs. So tablet, mobile, TV, everywhere YouTube is now working well. So there was time where it used to get hanged in the big screens in the TV, but now because of good net connectivity, no buffering as good as watching a channel. So these things are doing really well. So tech know-how could be anything, and everybody, even you yourself, are expert in some or the other activity. You can yourself create a channel and impress people. Every person has got some specialty. Find out within you what is that you like and what is that you can teach to others, and make YouTube as a platform to communicate with them. Stunt based videos. You go to exhibition, Mela, or you go to Necklace Road, there is some guy doing stunt in the bike. On the roadside you see that a girl is walking on the rope. Such kind of videos have got huge number of likes. So some others talent, you may use it for your own income. There's no rule that the video has to be your own. You can take anybody's video. You may be having a child at home who is reciting poems. That video also you can put it. Never underestimate any topic. Shortly I'll tell you. Topic which I underestimated and I was surprised by the income. I'll cover that in another 2-3 minutes. So these are the categories where you get wonderful response from YouTube. And how do we know how many views we have got, how much money we have made? Go into your videos again. Under this you'll find analytics. I want to see the analytics since lifetime 2011. October 6, 2011 till February. So it's a very old account. I've got 1,55,000 views so far, $68 of income I've made, 110 subscribers I've got, so many hours of video watch I've got. Like that. Each of the video, how many views I've got. See this trailer. You will laugh at this trailer if I show you. I'll be showing you by the end of the session. So imagine the power of the trailers. I did not estimate. This is just a casual video that I uploaded just to show how the videos have to be uploaded. Like I am taking YouTube class for you, like that I have taken for some students. So this is a bonus income for me. If you look at my videos, altogether in this channel I have got nearly 115 videos. It shows a number here. Where is it? Okay. 117 videos. Now this 117 videos, $65 income I made in 10 years sounds very less. This is not my active account in YouTube. This is an account which I use it for the explanation of the YouTube class. Look at the dates against each video. These are all the training videos, but look at the date here. Date is not shown. Okay. January 21, 2020, June 17, 2019, May, March, February. Every 2-3 months, one video I uploaded. Small videos to show how the videos have to be uploaded as an example. So this $68 is a bonus income for me. Every day if you spend 1 hour in YouTube, you can create up to 20 videos. So within a week, you'll be having 100 videos. Within a month, you'll be having at least 500 to 600 videos. Within a year, you are going to make super solid income. This is like a passive income which is going to continue for years and years till the searches go on. So do not underestimate YouTube. In fact, YouTube right now is a better income source than even SEO for a lot of them. All right, now what should not be done we have seen. Now let's see what should be done. What are the genuine ways of uploading the videos? There are 3 ways to make original videos in YouTube. I'm sorry that I'm extending the class. Let us complete this topic so that we can begin with SEM straight away on Monday. Another 5 minutes. So first one is digital mobile or web camera? Okay. Thank you, Sarita. So hope even Amit and Priyanka are okay with it. Okay. So there are three ways to make original videos. One is the digital, then mobile and web camera. I told you a while back that I was surprised by the performance of one video which I totally underestimated it. One is the Bol Bachchan trailer that is in my account, that is a different story. But long back, more than 5 years back, I had a student by name Chanti from coastal Andhra. What is his real name I don't know, but his nickname was Chanti and people used to call him by name Chanti. So he came to my institute all the way from his village only for this purpose and thought that I am giving some kind of part-time job. He never knew anything about YouTube. He came with the purpose of SEO and someone maybe misguided him saying that I am giving some work in the online and for that I am paying, but that was not the case. It's like a freelancing work you need to do yourself. So then I explained him that this is not any kind of part-time job that I am giving, but if you are working in this way then you will be able to make income. He said that no sir, I am quite tech savvy and all that, I have my own blog and everything. It wasn't impressive. He was facing some financial crisis. And the way that he was communicating, I could understand that he may not be that literate and he is not able to understand even a sentence of English. So then I asked him what his background was. So he said that his entire family is dependent upon him, and he is doing some kind of farming work on others' land, on the lease land. But the income is not sufficient for him to run the family, and he is the only person who is earning in his family. So he wants some supplement income source, and he says that he is able to understand English and all that, but I could make out that maybe that English is not cup of his tea. So then he said his return tickets are also booked. So after 2 days he had to go back to his village. He came all the way only for this work. Somehow I wanted to help this guy, but I didn't know how to do it. So I thought that the best I could do is to give him at least the YouTube class, because here language is not a barrier at all. So in the running batch, there was some SEO running batch. I intervened and stopped that topic, and between I took the YouTube class. So somewhere in the off page we were stuck in step 2, 3 somewhere. So I said that we are going to halt here. Firstly, I'll be taking a YouTube class for one of our special student, Mr. Chanti, for a very nominal fee. I allowed him to sit into the class. For 2 days, I explained the YouTube topic in detail. And post the class, the doubts that he was asking me, by which I could understand that he may not have understood my YouTube explanation also. So I only suggested him that, see, I don't know whether you have understood or not. He was claiming that he could understand everything, but the doubts that he was asking, I could understand that he may not have understood. So I told him that if you are not able to understand, or any time that you come to city, you can listen the classes again. You need not register. You need not pay the fee. He said, that's why I said that I could understand. I am going to implement that after going to my hometown. I said, good. So do be in touch. So he said bye, and then he went away. After a few months, after more than 4 months, he called me several times on the office number, not my personal number. But he was saying Chanti sir recognizes me and all that, but the ma'am, like, who was handling all the calls, neither she could recognize nor I could recognize. But then he said, please tell the sir that my name is Chanti and I learnt only the YouTube. Then finally I could recall, oh, he is the same student. So I gave him a call back and I said that, how are you Chanti, how is life doing? He said, sir, I called you just to thank you. I said, what for? So because of you I am able to earn. I said, how could I help you? I only explained you the YouTube. You never did SEO. He said, yes sir, YouTube. I am doing YouTube and I got $113 payment. This is my first ever payment online. I thought he is just gimmicking. So I said, What are you doing in YouTube? Can you show me your channel? He showed his channel. There were more than 70 videos, and yes, he made $113. I went through the videos and I was totally surprised. What are these videos about? So boring. The videos, all the videos were in and around the village. The main topic of that was rural India, I can say. All the videos are like that. Blurred videos, not even digital videos. Maybe you could not afford a good camera. So the videos were how that water is drawn from the pump, then how the children are playing, what kind of games are there, how the schools are, education is, how the farming is done. Telugu explanation. But the video, the quality and all that, I did not like it actually. I was surprised that how people may be searching, but when I looked at the views, amazing. In analytics, you can even see the location. That is where my eyes opened up. 80% of the searches happened outside India. So that is the day I realized that you cannot underestimate any topic. And one experience I've got it from my own video, that trailer, I'll be showing that trailer, I'll play that by the end of the session. So whatever videos that we think about what people may be searching, a lot of searches happen for it. So which video will go in trending, we never know. Like TikTok and all, some videos, they make look like what is this video, but a lot of likes and all come for it. So do not ever underestimate any topic here. You may be having a child who may be doing a little bit of funny activity, take that video and record it. You have a pet at home, the pet is playing with the ball, take that video. He is not charging anything. Na? Just you have to put an effort of pressing the camera button in your mobile, that is all, nothing more than that. Maybe that video itself can give you huge income. There's no limit on the income there. How many views, that much of money you can make. Revenue share is 68%. It's the same collaboration with the AdSense. There you are displaying ads in the website. Here you are displaying the ads in the YouTube videos. Now maybe we are not interested in the rural India because we see that day to day. But a lot of foreigners are there who may be interested in this kind of lifestyle. Maybe they are searching it because they never get to see this thing. They want peaceful life. And somehow I believe that in future, there will be huge demand for rural life. Like right now it is all urbanization. Rural people are migrating to urban areas. Sooner we are going to reach a saturation point. There the biggest happiness is going to be peace. The biggest real estate is going to be the rural market of India. So the villages and all that, I believe, is a good investment if you are thinking from 15, 20, 30 years perspective. The urbanization may take a halt, it may come under a saturation. Peace will have a lot of value. So that kind of concept, rural life concept and all that, may be a future trend. There are some villages. One is in Rajasthan, Pushkar, and one more in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, I don't know, where you will find more foreigners than Indians. There are more foreigners than Indians in these villages. So maybe they are such kind of people who love this type of life. They may be searching it. For them, it may be a dream life. We never know. Now, because we underestimated, a lot of people may be also thinking the same way. Who is going to search for this kind of rural videos? That's why there are no videos at all in the YouTube network. And this guy, this student Chanti, even with blurred video quality, he is able to perform because there is no competition. I told him, this is topic only for you. I did not upload even a single video, though I know there is a huge income potential in this. And I started recommending or telling about this only after a few years. So by now he must have made huge income. Now he is not in touch with me, but for sure he must be in a very good stage by now. So this is the area that you need to target, which is least targeted by others. A road less traveled. But these are the hot topics, news based topics and all that. Competition will anyway be low. New launches, competition will anyway be low. Movie trailers, low, because it's a fresh topic. So digital, mobile and web camera. Whenever you happen to visit any tourist place, a lot of foreigners search for tourist place in YouTube before they visit a place. You may go to Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, whatever, record that video, Golconda Fort, and explain in 1-2 lines what this what is the specialty of this so monument or place? Upload it. You need not upload hours of video. No one is interested in your big story. Less than 5 minutes of video will do. I told you that maybe at home your brother is doing a stunt or your sister is doing, she's expert in yoga. Record a video out of it. Maybe you are a motivational speaker. So just tell that for 5-10 minutes. So mobile, digital web camera. How to tie a tie, I told you, is an excellent topic. Switch on your web camera and explain it in case you know it or learn it. Rubik cube solver, again an amazing topic. There's a trick to solve the Rubik's cube. Explain that into the YouTube. So these sources will help you to build such videos. These are 100% safe, natural and no issues with your account forever. Second category of videos is using screen recording software, which I am using presently, which is mainly used for educational purpose. But you say, sir, I have no skills in any educational topic and all. You are already having a lot of knowledge on SEO. You don't have to explain right from the first class till the last, whichever topic you are comfortable with. A lot of people are there searching in YouTube for how to open AdSense account. Can't you explain that? How to display ads in the website, canonicalization, schema.org, on-page SEO only implementing title tag, how to start with Blogger, how to install WordPress. There are millions of searches happening for these keywords. Just 5 minutes task. So make use of a screen recording software like Camtasia Studio, like which I am doing here. You just have to click on the record button and then you'll have to click on the stop button. Along with your voice, the entire screen activity will get recorded. A lot of people are searching for Excel, MS Excel troubleshooting and learning MS Excel. So whatever the fee you are charging, you'll be making more than that only through ads. And you can then even make it private, you can even sell it. There are paid videos also in YouTube. So this software I am giving you already in my folder. Camta, okay, here. There's a license key, you can get it from here. So this will work for lifelong, no validity. Give this registration name and give this license key. Then just you have to click on the record button as well as the stop button. So this is going to be useful only for educational topic. Then third is where 80% of my videos are created apart from the educational videos is Movie Maker software. I am using Mac, so I could not install the Windows Movie Maker, some issues with the hardware. So there is an inbuilt Windows Movie Maker in operating system which is more than 2007 version. So Windows 2007 and beyond, you will be finding Windows Movie Maker inbuilt. Otherwise the private one is from whether I have it in this folder, let me see. No, Wondershare, sorry. The private one is the Wondershare. This is same like Movie Maker. Okay, so this is also a video editor. The purpose of the Movie Maker software is it will take images and it will make a video out of it, like a slideshow, collage images, like so many things you can do here. So I have some other software here. Let me see how it works. I haven't tested it. Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is different. This is different one. Windows Movie Maker is much better. Create new project. But all of this work on the same lines. You need to first add the pictures. Add clip, arrange clips. We'll have to add the pictures here, right? So this is the picture. Then you have to add the video. So this is 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 the video. So so let us collect some 4-5 pictures. So what I'm doing is going to Google search for, okay, let us take automobile new launches MG Hector. As such, I cannot take any videos of MG Hector. That's the reason why I'm making use of this application to create my own video from images. Again, images also have got copyrights, and I've already told you how to get non-copyrighted images. Even one copyrighted image you have it is going to show us the entire video is copied. So these are all non-copyrighted images, free to be used. Take the digital pictures which are of bigger dimensions. Firstly, I have to click here. Why is it showing small? Dimensions are bigger. Okay. So this is image 1. Let us take some 5 images and create a video out of it. Last one more image will take. Let's take the interior. So once that you have got your own collection of images, go into Movie Maker software, click on add clip. The Windows Movie Maker interface is better than this and with more options. Here he hasn't provided, but in Movie Maker he has provided an add a title, then zooming effects and all that. Let us see if there are some effects here. Text overlay is here. How many duration you want this light. This is video created already, but this is coming like a plain slideshow. To bring little life to it, better we use some kind of animation tools here, like the zooming effect, then a text rolling and all that. But here we don't have much options in this application. Okay, there are some. Fade. For this one we'll use wind. Let's see how it works out. Okay, once that everything is done, there should be, okay, play. Let us play and see. That was fade effect. But still, the Windows Movie Maker software is much better than this. There the videos look professional. Anyway, once that you have created, click on save. Okay, save project is not supported on free version if you want to make movie. always save it in the, okay, that is in pro version. Always save it in 4K or full HD. So 4K means even on the bigger screens it will look very much digital. Some softwares may not allow 4K, so then at least full HD. Here it's a free version, only HD is allowed. Always save the file name with your keyword. This is the basics of SEO in YouTube. There's nothing like SEO in YouTube, but for your video to perform on the top, for your video what exactly it is based upon, while the YouTube is reading it, he'll first start with the file name of the video. That should be exactly matching with the keyword for which you are aiming to rank on top. The ranking of the videos in YouTube is cyclic in nature. It's not like SEO where whoever has got highest mark will get rank 1, second highest rank 2. Here every video will be given a chance to perform on the top in a cyclic manner. And as your video is played, it will note down how many people have liked, how many people have disliked, how many people are watching your video, time duration, average time duration of the video, then how many people are subscribed to your channel, how are your other videos in the channel performing, what is the title, description, tags that you have set for the video. Once we'll upload the video, we'll see where to put those things. So these are all the things by which the ranking is decided for any video. If these numbers are good, frequently your video will perform on the top. Numbers are bad, rarely it will be performing on the top. So automatically the videos which are liked by the public are going to perform better. So here only one logic you need to apply. Create videos which may be liked by the public. There are videos in my account where more dislikes are there than like. I told you once I upload the video, I'll show you. Okay, the video is ready. I haven't put any title and all. This application I need to be familiar with. But now that the video is ready, I'll go to create here. This is the way that you upload a video. So in the title, mention your keyword. In the description, this is like the title tag, this is like the description tag of SEO. Your keyword has to come even within the description. Thumbnail is nothing but the preview, which image preview you want to show here. You can take part of the video as a thumbnail, or you can even take a custom thumbnail. This is very important because people will look at this thumbnail and only then they get attracted to play it. So have a very attractive thumbnail here. That's it. Click on next. Is it meant for kids? No. If it is nursery rhymes poem, then we select this. Next. Next. If you select as private, only you can see. Maybe your marriage, wedding videos and all that you can put as private, but this we want it to be public. We want more visitors. Publish. So it's getting uploaded. So here only my suggestion would be 20 videos a day. 100 videos a week is what I require from you on the topics that I've given. So just within a month you'll see a drastic improvement in the revenue once you have met the threshold. 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers. And the videos what you have uploaded long back is also going to contribute to the revenue in the current time, in the future time. And never forget to have the backup of the video in the hard disk, maybe an external hard disk or internal hard disk, because 100 to 100 videos is manageable. But let's say after 1 year your account faces an issue. What will you do? Thousands of videos all gone in vain. So when you have the backup in the hard disk, you can easily transfer those video into another YouTube account. Uploading one video, 20 videos will take same time. It can be done parallelly. After you click on the plus here, you can select at once 20 videos. Creating 20 videos will take 45 minutes. Uploading will take less than 15 minutes. Even if it is a 5 minutes video. Even if it is a 4K video. HD video, 4K video. It also depends upon your net connection. Never delete any video. I told you we can't know which video is going to contribute to the income for us. The income from YouTube will get merged with the AdSense. So the revenue that you see in AdSense is YouTube plus website ads both. Shortly the video will be live in YouTube. Done. So this is a video that you have created just now. So how many people like, dislike and all that other factors which will decide how frequently your video will perform on the top when someone is searching for MG Hector car. You can even add audio there. Now even for audio there is copyrights. I'll tell you how to get non-copyrighted audio files. So like you have added a clip, you have even the audio option in the Movie Maker software. Never delete any video. I told you, we never know which video is going to perform. Now the Bol Bachchan trailer. Like this, casually I uploaded the video, but look at the views that I got. More than 39,000. From $20 I got only from this video. Taken all small images, blood images. There are more dislikes compared to likes. This was my site that time. 28 seconds video. So many views. February 20, 2012. The advantage I got is when this movie shooting was starting, the movie name got leaked. So I uploaded a trailer even before the shooting started. So there were no videos at all. So that's the way lot of views have come. Rumor based videos will also do really well. Example, Salman Khan is going to marry this year. Such kind of rumors where people easily get attracted. But then in the video it should look like a funny video. Don't be very serious and all, otherwise any celebrity may file a case against you in case they feel that it is really affecting their life. So the video should look like a humorous video, because only after playing the video a person would know whether it's a real news or a fake news. But by then you have already got a view, you would have already got the ads and made income out of it. Coming to the last part, the audio. In case you want to have an audio, there was an option for audio not showing up. Let's see. There's an audio library here. These are all free music. Apart from this, even in Google, if you search for royalty free music, you'll find plenty of websites giving you the free music. You can download them. First play it. Let me play any one video, audio. I'm using an earphone, I am able to hear that. So place the music and whichever you like it, download that. That same music you can put it for as many videos as possible. You can even search through this library. You want, let's say, some piano. Spelling is wrong. So many piano based musics have come here. Okay, so here you can click on sound effects, kids playing, factory background, any audio file that you have liked it will be shown here. And apart from all that, you can always go to Google and search for royalty free music. You cannot take Bollywood, Tollywood music files just like that. 99% of them have got copyrights. So not only images, video and audio, all the three have to be non-copyrighted. And all the three we have seen the solution. That is all, guys. Thanks for the patience for the extended class. Over to you for any kind of questions. We are going to begin with SEM from Monday. So kindly confirm for the doubts.